Tengok mama kau. Kenapa?
Apa? Ada apa dia?
Ada apa? Kau akan jadi abang lagi.
Orang mengandung?
6 bulan dah.
6 bulan dah? 6 bulan? Wih! Macam mana tahu?
Hai, Assalamualaikum. Thanks to Habas Alisra Malaysia for having this good product. I ada problem period lama and kind of ignore sebab rasa macam okay je, tak ada period. But somehow lately rasa not so well, badan pun rasa tak sedap. Then I actually start makan balik consistently. Dulu memang makan, but I stop. Help me to feel better every day. Pergi kerja pun rasa macam semangat sikit. I have not been getting my period for almost 2 years. Itu hari, bila dah consistently start makan balik, I think after 2 weeks makan, I terus dapat my period. I'm getting my period balik regularly and on time. Badan pun rasa sedap. Dulu rasa macam perempuan sebenar. Terima kasih Allah. Terima kasih Lisa. Sabar itu indah.